Our top focus this morning is on all the dramatic developments coming in from Maharashtra. Hours after his arrest, Union Minister and BJP leader Narayan Rane has been granted bail now in the slap CM Uddhav remark case. Rane was given bail late last night by the magistrate court in Raigad district of Maharashtra after he was taken into custody yesterday. He reached his Mumbai residence at 4:45 this morning. The police has charged Union Minister Narayan Rane under sections 5052, that means provocation intending to break public peace, section 189, and that stands for threat of injury to public servant, among many other charges. Now, while speaking to India Today, Rane had said that the Maharashtra government was scared of him, but he didn't say anything wrong. So Narayan Rane's arrest yesterday was preceded by protests by Sena cadre across the state, which also led to all-out clashes breaking out in parts of Mumbai and Nashik with BJP workers.
Union Minister Narayan Rane is taken into custody in the middle of his lunch on Tuesday. The arrest comes after a remark by Narayan Rane on Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, triggering a fresh round of showdown between the Shiv Sena and BJP.
बोलायचा अधिकार तरी आहे का? बाजूला म्हणा एखादा सेक्रेटरी ठेवा आणि विचारून बोल. त्याशी नाही काय? किती वर्ष आली देशाला संतुलन तिलक महोत्सव काय? हे असतो तर कानाखाली चढवले. हे काय देशाचं तुम्हाला स्वातंत्र्य दिनाची माहिती नसावी? सांगा मला किती चीड येणारी गोष्ट आहे.
Rane's jibe at Thackeray for allegedly forgetting Independence Day was too much for the Shiv Sena to stomach. The Sainiks hit the streets, pelting stones at the BJP office in Nashik. Pretty soon, workers of the two parties came to blows at many places, including outside Rane's residence in Juhu. The state machinery also swung into action. 4 FIRs were filed against Rane at different locations. Rane, who was arrested from Sanghameshwara, was taken to Raigad.
उस दिन में होता, उस स्वतंत्र दिन के दिन होता, तो मैं वही थप्पड़ मारता कि उनको हमारे राष्ट्र की आजादी का तारीख मालूम नहीं, साल मालूम नहीं. उस दिन होता तो अभी मारूंगा ऐसा नहीं कहा. ये है जबरदस्ती मेरे को अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है और जबरदस्ती मेरे को कुछ मेरे जीवन को धोखा निर्माण करने का काम पुलिस लोग कर रहे हैं.
While the Shiv Sena has accused the BJP of using Rane to target the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government, the Saffron Party has called the arrest vendetta.
आपको किसी ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है क्या मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर हमला करने का? तो महाराष्ट्र में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन जो है वो कानून का राज चलता है महाराष्ट्र में. अभी हमारे हाथ कानून से बंधे हैं क्योंकि हमारी सरकार है.
एक तरह से ये लोकतंत्र का हनन है, लोकतंत्र की हत्या है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दफ्तरों के ऊपर पत्थरबाजी करना, लोगों के जान को जोखिम में डालना, क्या ये कानून है? इस प्रकार से एक मंत्री पर 30-30, 40-40 FIR कर देना, क्या ये कानून है?
It all started in 2005 when Narayan Rane quit the Shiv Sena. Till then, it was only Uddhav Thackeray versus Narayan Rane. But after Narayan Rane joined the BJP, it became a Shiv Sena versus BJP battle in Maharashtra. The BJP's central leadership joining the entire controversy, it will soon be seen as a center versus state controversy. With camera person Raju Inamdar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.